Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this week's try on haul. Today we are doing cider. Okay, some of y'all requested cider and I'm not gonna lie, I've seen it pop up all over my Facebook and it's one of those is it too good to be true sort of companies. But I will say everything that I ordered came, so let's first check out of the box. Everything that I ordered came. The one thing that I was super skeptical about, if you've ever shopped on their site, is that they don't have people wearing most of the clothes. Most of the items you see look like they're just on a mannequin or digitally created. I don't know. I was like, there's too much cute stuff. It is so freaking affordable. I'm like, how? So I got a lot of stuff. I think I ordered over 20 pieces, maybe 17. I can't remember, but I ordered a lot of stuff, you guys, and I put together a bunch of different outfits. Some were amazing and some were complete fails. So I'm here to tell you all about it. This is not sponsored. This is my honest opinion review, all that stuff. I love finding affordable pieces to add into my collection because I don't think that fashion should be super expensive. I think it should be accessible, especially for those fun pieces that aren't staples in your wardrobe. So as always, all of the links for all the items that I show you are going to be linked down below, as well as whatever size I ordered in there, them in, and then my measurements will also be down there just for reference in case you are curious to know what size you would be as well. I'm going to talk about sizing a lot during this video. We had some hits and misses. And then anything that I use to style from my own wardrobe, like shoes or accessories or whatever the case may be, will also be down there as well in little outfit chunks so you can see everything super easily. So without further ado, let's jump in. I got a ton of dresses. I honestly feel like I haven't been a huge dress girl over the last couple of years, so yeah, we gotta handle this go around. Okay, everything, all these little dresses come with these little adjustable straps or tie straps. Those are my all-time favorite for multiple reasons. They're super cute and girly, but they also make sure that your dress is really customizable in terms of how far it goes down. I loved this dress when I saw it. When I got it, I was like, what in the heck? It hangs down I was like, no way, this is gonna be really weird. I love the pattern. I love this, I don't even know what it is. I'm obsessed with just about everything about this. It's just a little too short for me, my booty cheeks. Yeah, girl. At least this ruffle in the back is here or else stuff would be hanging out. So I would say most of it, I was a true small in the majority of the pieces that I picked. But for this, I honestly would have gone to a medium just for the sheer fact of length, but I don't know if it would make it too wide. So you could always get it hemmed and altered if that's something that is a deal breaker for you, because they're really affordable pieces. You could honestly do it yourself as well, since the seams are pretty exposed and nothing crazy. So I'm gonna try medium for length because I loved this dress. It's stretchy but fitted and it's everything. And the boob pads on this, the cup pads, I felt were small, but not insanely small. I could get away with this without feeling like I was gonna fall out everywhere. So I absolutely loved this dress. This would be so cute for a summer wedding, whatnot. Huge fan of that dress. This next dress I wanted to love. I do not know how people do this crisscross halter neck situation with this style. I ordered one from Shein not long ago and how? How does it stay up? How does it not just flop open like it did on me? I don't know. I was sad about this. I feel you could use fashion tape to kind of keep things concealed and lay it flat, but I don't know. I loved the color of this. It's a blue gray. I love the tulip style bottom. None of these dresses, I will say, are double lined, but I didn't find them to be an issue with sheerness or anything. They weren't see-through, so that's nice. And I loved it. I just feel these things they don't work for me, y'all. So I don't know, this was a miss for me. I guess, like I said, you could wear fashion tape, or if you had really maybe even fake boobs or just heavier boobs to like keep those things down, then it might work for you, but that was not the case for me. This dress though, on the other hand, was perfection. This dress reminds me a lot of Zara, to be honest with you, but I'm obsessed. I would wear fashion tape to tape it down, just because I don't want, you know, boobs popping out and stuff. This dress is so classy, and I think the dark emerald just really makes it stunning. This would be beautiful for a fall wedding because it's long sleeve. The length is much more modest than the majority of the dresses that I showed today, which I really enjoyed. Love the collar detail, love the long sleeve. Again, not double line, but not sheer at all. It's got that tulip with some ruching. So flattering. I think it comes in like 3 other colors as well, but I love this emerald. Perfect for the fall, winter sort of situation. I love that dress and highly, highly recommend it. This next dress, I feel like there's one on Petal and Pup that's very similar to this. So I wanted to try it out and see. And this is super cute. The boob pads, again, they're borderline too small, but not like a deal breaker. And I just feel like a medium, it wouldn't give me enough, like it would give me enough in the boob, but it would be so big around the rest of like the body area. I wish that they had like small and a half, or small and a half. Yeah, small, medium, small and a half. Anyways, I still really love this. I love the delicate ties at the top, zip to get in the back. There's zips to get into all of these dresses, which is really nice. This again is not double lined, but I didn't find that it's sheer. I was wearing like a pinky nude underwear, just keep that in mind. I'm not gonna wear black with this, but I love the lemons. I think this is so cute for like, I don't know, just like a picnic date, or I don't know, I just think it's adorable. I absolutely love this. I think it's a perfect like springtime dress, spring summery dress, and it's super cute. Okay, this next dress I fell in love with. I love the little pleats at the bottom. I love this pattern, the green with the red little dot in the middle of it. The pleating on the boob area is really cute and flattering as well. Thin spaghetti straps to tie in, a zipper to get into the back. I loved this. I loved everything about this. I've been really loving super simple like dresses like this with a pair of Converse and you're good to go. It's just really, really quick and easy, and I've been honestly loving it. It's been my go-to for the summer. I have a dress that I picked up from Cupshe not long ago that I've been wearing the heck out of, so I'm excited to throw this in the mix. And it's a white base with green flowers instead of a green base with white flowers. So love that. This next dress I actually got in a medium, and I'm kind of happy that I did. It's a sweater dress. I only got it in a medium because they didn't have a small. I feel like a small would probably hold me in a little bit more because you can't really wear a bra with this, even strapless, because the back is completely open. This is the thing that popped up all over every one of my Facebook ads, and I was like, that is so cute with a pair of white Converse high tops. So adorable. This is so soft. It's a thick material. This is really nice quality, and they have it in a bunch of different like colors and patterns on their site. I love the tie back back detail. I feel like this is like something you could see at Abercrombie, maybe not this bold of a print, but I really liked this. I would say a small probably would have fit me more form-fitting, but I'm happy with it. I really like it. And this is like so soft and so buttery and really stretchy, and yeah. So if you're in between sizes, you could size up or you could size down. It really doesn't matter, but the medium wasn't so oversized on me, so that was good. This next dress, the boob pads were way too small. Like my boobs were just like not in the cup pads like at all. And just for reference, I'm like a C, a full C, technically D, just depends. But I just felt like I was hanging out of this guy. It's really cute. I like the yellow. I like the tie straps again. I like that it is tiered, but I just felt like, yeah, the boob pads cup things did nothing for me, and I was spilling out everywhere. Same thing with this guy, which I'm so sad about. I'm gonna try this in a medium because I absolutely love everything about this. I love the wide set straps. My boobs just had nowhere to go. Like the cup pad is way too small. I should keep saying cup pad, but it's the cup area. And I was spilling out the side a lot, which just wasn't it. But the pattern is so fun. It's so bright, purpling and orange, and this ruching to the side, this asymmetrical. It is stunning. I would just say if you have a larger chest, definitely size up because the cup area runs really, really small. I didn't have necessarily too much of an issue with the size of these cup areas, but this is a little corset top, which I love. I love that it is a navy blue satin. Again, can we tell I love bows? You can wear this dressed up with a pair of like slacks that I'm going to show you in a bit, or you can wear it with jeans and heels. This is a perfect going out top. I'm obsessed with this. You can tuck it in, you can leave it out. It's not like a harsh corset. It's just like meant to look like corset. And then there's a zipper exposed in the back. I need this in other colors. It is stunning. Now this corset top was pretty much a fail for me. I had no place to put my boobs. Like it like just cut my boobs off in like 17 different places. It was not a look. So stunning though, like obsessed with this. So cute. If you have no boobs, check this out. It's adorable. It's a sheer like floral corset style top, and then the sleeves you can leave them wrenched, or like the straps you can leave them squished together, or you can kind of put them over the shoulders, which is what I chose to do. But again, you can wear this so many different ways as well. Stunning. It's just not gonna work for my chest area. Another corset top that I got, I really like this one. This one's perfect, fits amazingly. This is a cream with like kind of a, I don't know, like a waffled texture to it. Again, not boned or anything like that, which I enjoy. It's kind of that one shoulder asymmetrical top, again with a pair of jeans. So, so cute. One strap in the back. I felt like this fit really well and I had enough room for everything. So definitely love this and totally keeping this because it is so cute. Throw it on with a pair of jeans and you are good to go. Okay, I got a sweater like this in my recent H&M haul, so I need to decide which one I like better. But this is such a sweet little, I think these sweaters are coming back for this fall and I'm excited. It's like a kind of colored detail with this sort of really pretty cutout short sleeve sweater with the big buttons. I love wearing this all the way buttoned up with a pair of jeans. I think it's so cute. So yeah, happy I got this. Super soft. I just need to decide which one I need to keep between here and H&M because I do not need both. But if you're looking for a sweater like this, highly recommend this one. This one's nice quality, super soft, and I didn't wear anything underneath it, but you totally could, like a nude cami if you wanted to wear it for work or whatever, but just day to day, I would just wear a nude bra underneath it. These little trousers, since finding those Abercrombie ones, I was obsessed and wanted to just try to find some more affordable ones. If I liked the fit, I could branch out into different colors. So I got these in like a taupe sort of color. These are perfection, you guys. These fit like a glove. These are adorable though. These are so cute. They don't have pockets, but honestly, I think that makes them more flattering. They have a little bit of like, not pleating, but just boning down the front, I guess you could say. They are like a straight leg pant, perfect length, perfect. Everything about these. I'm obsessed with these. You can wear them so many different ways. You can wear them as workwear with a button up, like a satin button up blouse. You can wear them with that corset top and heels. So cute. Obsessed. Okay, this I would say is just a little outside of my comfort zone. This is super cute. I love the color of it. It's a satin little mini skirt. I don't think I'm gonna keep this because I just feel like where the heck would I wear this? But if you go out a lot or go to nice dinners, Vegas, anything like that, this is so cute. I love the ruching on the side. It is completely stretchy, so that's kind of nice. It's not like really, you can pull it down if you want. And then there's a side to get in. This fit nicely. I just feel like I'm a little too old for it, / I don't really have anywhere to wear it to, so I will not be keeping that. Speaking of short though, these, like what fabric? What? Huh? That is nuts. Okay, this is the cutest thing in the world. I love this. This little romper overall thing with some floral things on it. I thought with a white tank, some Converse, so cute, but there's zero coverage down here. None. So that's a miss for me, but the flowers are legitimately embroidered on here and the quality is really nice. I love the color, everything about it, except for there is no room for coverage. So next set of overalls I got, I like them, but I don't love them. Let me tell you why. First of all, the embroidery, again, so cute. Love corduroy. They're really cute. The straps though, you guys, like the buckles are in the back, so you miss like the strappy thickness of the front. It's not a deal breaker, but I don't know. It's not like my favorite part about it. But they are a little bit short on me. They're like kind of high waters, which if they were meant to be high waters, then that'd be fine. Like cropped, you know? But they're not. So I didn't love that aspect of them. So they come in a million different colors. If you're shorter than like 5'5", 5'6", then check them out. But I would say if you're taller than that, they're probably gonna be high waters on you. But again, you could always hem them up if you wanted them more of a cropped fit, which would be cute. I love the button details. Again, the flowers are legit embroidered on there. So cute. I thought wearing this with like a dark green tank with, you know, the floral details, or white would be super cute, but I don't know, I think they kind of missed the mark for me. Next pair of bottoms, and my last item that I picked up from this haul, were these guys here. And honestly, again, they're cute, but they're not like my favorite. They're a really nice style and fit though. I love the length of them. I just feel like this color is like kind of yellowy, kind of cream. I just don't know. The belt is pretty cheap looking, but I mean, it's no big deal. You can totally take it off. I do like the flat lay pockets in the back. These reminded me of the shorts that I wore for Jurassic Park, my Halloween costume when I was Helen Hunt in Jurassic Park. Was it Helen Hunt? I don't know if it was Helen Hunt, but I'll leave the name. You know what I'm talking about, okay? That's what these reminded me of. So I just feel like they were cute, but they weren't like my favorite shorts in the entire world. But I would look to see what other colors they have because the fit was nice. I will say these were true to size. So these came in only like small, medium, and large, I think, and I got these in a small. So those are all of the pieces that I picked up from my first Cider haul. If you guys liked seeing this and want to continue seeing more Cider hauls, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below. Have you ever shopped at Cider? What are your thoughts? Are there any other brands that you want to see these sort of videos featured, other brands featured in these sort of videos? That's what I meant. And like always, don't forget everything is linked down below if you're curious to check anything out. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!